Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the fabulous Crease, back with a new video. And in today's video, we are doing our first Valentine's look for the season, I guess. So yeah, this is the first of, I think I'm gonna do like maybe 3 not so traditional Valentine's Day looks. So per usual, if you wanna see how I do what I do and how you can do it too, then keep on watching and I will catch you on the other side. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're feeling this video and my channel. And we go. So I've already done my foundation off camera. If you guys want a foundation tutorial type situation, then go ahead and let me know and I will do that for you. So I'm going to start with the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade medium beige, and this is what I'm going to use to basically like prime my eyelids. Get them ready. If y'all can hear Bay's game in the background, I'm so sorry. Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. Alright, so taking the Morphe M573, I'm going to go into the 35B palette, and I'm going to take this color right here. It's right next to the red, so this color right here, and this is going to be my transition color, if you will. It's like a coral pink. That's what you're looking for. You want a coral pink type color. And I'm putting this right like in the crease, and I'm gonna blend it up towards the brow bone. Yeah, that's cute. And in this look, we're only going to be using 4 eyeshadow colors. So like I said, this is easy. And then I'm actually going to take Amara from the Zuri palette and just put that right on top of it because I want a little bit of shimmer. Yeah, that's cute. Kind of winging this, you know, doing it as I go. Whatever. That's how we make shit happen, right? And you don't want this color to be like too concentrated. It's really just supposed to be like a transition color, but you do want it to have a nice presence. All right, taking that same brush and the same palette. So this red right here, I'm gonna go with this red, and I'm going to put that right in my crease. Now that you've got it like good and red and in there, now you want to dip it back into that pink color and then start blending. Now I'm gonna go in with a smaller Morphe brush. This came in a I'm trying to like, there's no number for this brush, but it's just like a kind of like a pointed blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the crease even more, and we're gonna deepen that up. And I'm gonna take the color Reina from the Zuri palette, this burgundy color right here. So now you want to take a burgundy and get up in the crease and focus that on your outer corner. So you just want to pack it real heavy on your outer corner and then blend it right in through the crease just like that. That's gonna be pretty. Yeah. So now I'm going to take the M573 brush and get some more of that red on it. The second red, not the coral pink. So anyway, I'm going to take some more of this red, and we're just going to blend this together. And take your time, ain't no rush. You ain't going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere. We not going nowhere. I'm going to take some more of that coral, put that on top. Yeah. Yo, I swear the eye that I do off camera always comes out better. It's ridiculous. I swear to God, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. All right, so now we're gonna cut our crease, and I'm using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor 2. And before I actually cut my crease, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of the eyeshadow base. And I don't want my base to be pink because this is going to be like a nude color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my cut crease, and I'm going to outline where exactly the cut crease is going. And this line doesn't have to be perfect, Get it close enough though. You do want to get it close enough. So what I'm gonna do is take like a piece of a makeup wipe, and I could use a Q-tip dipped in makeup remover, but I'm gonna take a piece of a makeup wipe and hope I don't fuck this up. And we're going to remove most of this eyeshadow here because we don't want the base to be pink. We want it to be the nude color because we're gonna put a nude color on this. Yeah, that's about right. All right, so now I'm gonna take that eyeshadow base again. Whatever nude color it is that you're using to cut your crease, this will help you not get all of this into that. Your girl act the stink thing, call me over. I guess I should zoom in this part, huh? Sorry, I didn't think of that sooner. So see, now you have like a perfect, crystal clear, uninterrupted, unmuddied cut crease. So this is one eye, and that's two. All right, so from the Dare to Create palette, I'm gonna take the color Bare, and this is just a flat shader brush. So you just take any flat shader brush, and you're gonna go ahead and pack that on. Pack it on, nice and heavy. And this color that I'm using is a color that is close to like the highlighted area of my face. So when you're choosing a color, you may not want to use the exact color that I'm using. Just get a color that's close to your highlight color. I'm going back in with the color Canvas just to darken it up a little bit, tiny bit, nothing major. Yeah, that's nice. All right, we're gonna take that brush that we were using Raina on, and we're gonna hit that outer corner like on some serious for reals. Like hit it hard, hit it real hard. You're gonna take your 35B red, and you're gonna go ahead and blend those two together. So I'm gonna hit the bottom lash line with the red from the 35B. And then I'm gonna finish it off with Raina. Yeah, that works. That works well. All right, so now here comes the fun part. So I'm gonna take my Suva Beauty Hydroliner, and this is in the shade Space Panda. And this is a Suva Beauty 610 brush, and I'm going to do some liner, some eyeliner. Hopefully my camera does not overheat and shut down on me. We'll see. You gotta get this stuff wet for it to work. All right, y'all wish me luck, okay? I think I like where that's going. Why you playing with my fat?
My owl fat.
Owl fat?
Owl fat.
He owns my fat, y'all. I'm sitting here on this floor doing my little makeup or whatever, and he gonna come by and grab my fat. He said it's our fat. Our fat. Get you one? Like to get to know ya so I can show ya. Ooh, that's pretty, y'all. All right, so my camera is overheating, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back like this. So, I also did this black line off camera. I'm going to do that on camera, and I also did my mascara off camera. I'm going to do that on this side on camera now. Bear with me. Let's do this. Okay, who besides me can't believe that went that well? So now I'm gonna grab the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash. Gonna do my bottom and top mascara. You know, it's funny, I'm starting to prefer this over my double wear, honestly. Okay, I don't know what I was talking about, but my camera died, so the show must go on. So I've done my contour, and I'm gonna do my highlight. I'm gonna start with ColourPop Glow Up. That's right, start with. Actually, you know what? I think we're gonna stick with this one today. Girl. I haven't done the little upper lip highlight in a while. Why the F not? Normally, I would spray this first. Today, I'm gonna use the NYX matte finish setting spray. No, I'm gonna get that in my hair. And today's lip cocktail has been brought to you by NYX in the shade Natural, Color Pop, Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Take a Pixie, Anastasia Beverly Hills Dainty, and then last but not least, NYX Butter Gloss in Maple Blondie. All right, let's do this. I love how this shade is called Natural. Natural what? Oh yeah, that's pretty. And then we're gonna top it off with some Maple Blondie. And this is like kind of like a bubblegum pink gloss. We're gonna make that a little softer. See, and then you get all this lipstick around your finger, right? And you just wipe it off. So it ends up not on your teeth. Like, I don't know what's so not simple about it. Because I want that wet lip look, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, I changed my shirt, and now we're gonna put up some lashes.
Give me all your numbers so I can phone ya. Your girl acting stank, then call me over. Like to get to know ya so I can show ya. Put a hurtin' on ya like I told ya. Give me all your numbers so I can phone ya. Your girl acting stank, then call me over.
Your lashes is boring, sis. Let's do some poses. Let me go do some poses. Oh, you know what? This is Valentine's makeup, so I'm going to do a little blush situation, and I'm going to do the Saharan blush palette from Juvia's Place, and I think I'm going to use the color Sola and Tau, whatever. We're gonna do it. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna get a big old fluffy brush. Yeah. Not really a blush girl, but it's cute. It's cute. We're posing. We're posing. We're posing. Do you see the lip gloss? Do you see my highlight? Do you see my lashes? Look down. Do you see my cut crease? Look down. My cut crease is shitting on you. My cut crease is shitting on you. My highlights on fleek. My highlights on fleek. My nose highlights on fleek. Yes. Ooh, my bitty beads are coming back. It's time for me to wash my hair. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Trice, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. It would help my video get more views, you know what I'm saying? Since I'm doing this whole consistency thing, I would like to be fucking rewarded for it. Yes. Anyway, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not. Join Mon Petites. The family is continually growing. I love and appreciate you guys so friggin' much. And follow me on Instagram at callme_Trice. Same name across the board. If you're looking for this one, you gonna find me. What else did I want to say? Yo, I always be forgetting. Like, I do the same spiel at the end of every video, and I always forget what it is that I'm supposed to say next. Anyway, this week's chat with Trice, Mon Petites, Valentine's Day. Are women supposed to get men a gift? Is that like a requirement? Is that a requisite? What are your thoughts? Drop it in the comment section below because I want to know. Speaking of dropping things in the comment section below, questions, comments, concerns, complaints, drop those below as well. Requests, drop them below. Anything, put it in the comment section. I want to read it. I'm going to read it. Even if you don't think I see it, I see it. 9 times out of 10, you're going to get a response from me. If you don't, it's probably because I didn't see it. And with that said, that's all there is to say, and there is no more except, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah! Bye!